Hi guys, welcome to Darren's Joy channel and welcome to a 10 card pack unopening of the Garbage Gang cards. I've opened these before. As I said, they're £1 each. You need to collect 96 with 10 lenticular cards, and there's 5 cards per pack. So let's go. So we have got Fat Phil, All Wet Walt, Pyramid Parker, I think I've got that one, Acid Wayne, and Teething Trina. Nice. Pack 2. There we go. We're in Stony Tony, number 1. Nice. Oh, Exploring Norman, the lenticular one. Lovely, lovely. Coal Mole. Nice. Run Over Grover. Off Key Lee. Gassing Grunt. We've got a Gassing Grunt already. Upchuck. Upchuck lenticular. Nice. Rudy Canal. Metallic Alec. What's this? 4. Mary Mucus. Nice. Potty Scotty. Balden Jordan. Walty Morty. And Phony Joni. Number 5. This one may have a card in it. Do they feel a bit, I don't know. It can feel a bit heavier, and yeah, there's like a noticeable, they feel stiffer. So yeah, there's a lenticular one in here as well. So we've got On Camera Cameron, Gassy Garrett, Leaky Lindsay, nice. Neon Leon, I think I got that one. Peter Chew, I think I might have that one too. Now I don't know if this one has. Let's see, what's this, number 5, number 6, number 6. No, this one might have as well. Dear oh dear. Snotwitch Sandra. Fartin Martin. Delightful. Trippy Dan. Another one. Slimy Jaime. Piranha Connor. I think I remember that one. I don't know, 7, 8, 9, yeah. Pack number 7. No, it's not one in here. So we have got Bobble Bob, Pyramid Parker, got that one already. Got Neon Leon, Scabby Abby, Quick Sandy. I think I might have ordered them. Not good. Pack number 8. Oh, another lenticular. Hello. So we've got Cookie Toss Tessa. Gotta Go Joe. Lovely. Nashi Ashley. Snotball Saul. Taped Tate. Fill her up. Oh, disgusting. Corny Cody. Scabby Abby again. Quick Sandy again. Lippy Leah. Last pack. Cookie Costessa, yeah, we've got that one. Got that one. Fairy Tale Dale. Lovely. Deflated David. Lovely. And Basket Casey. And that is it. So let me know your favourites. Let me know if you have any doubles, who you still need. I'm more chuffed with these lenticular ones though. Is that, I've got 4 I think, didn't I? One there. One there. Hang on, there we go. There. Can't find them now. There he is, that one. And that one. Oh, 5. I think I had 3 or 4 of them already, so I may nearly have nearly all of theirs too. Have a look at those. So we've got Leaky Lindsay, Drippy Dan, Ghastly Ashley, Upchuck, and Exploring Norman. Right, thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye now.